Hello viewers, welcome back to Cooking TV channel. Here I am with another brand new video where I am going to show you how to make chocolate cold coffee. So let's enjoy cooking till the very end. If you are first time visiting my channel, consider subscribing, and if you are already subscribed, thank you very much. First of all, what ingredients do I need to make it? Milk ½ liter, coffee 3 teaspoons, vanilla ice cream 3 teaspoons, powder milk 3 teaspoons, cocoa powder 2 teaspoons, ½ cup sugar, chocolate ice cream 1 piece. At first, liquid milk should be kept in the fridge for 7 to 8 hours to become frozen. I will crush the frozen milk with the wood or stone. Now I will blend all the item in a blender. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay happy, stay cool. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.